How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from an Android device to an iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on both your Android and your iPhone devices. You'll also need a USB-C to Lightning cable to connect your devices. First, prepare your devices. So on your Android phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chat Backup. Tap on Backup to create a fresh backup of your chats. Now, on your iPhone, begin the setup process. So during the setup, when you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Transfer directly from Android. Now, connect your devices, so use the USB-C to Lightning cable to connect your Android phone to your iPhone. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the two devices. Open WhatsApp on Android. On your Android device, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. You'll then see a prompt asking if you want to transfer your chat history. Tap Start. Now, complete the transfer. So follow the on-screen instructions on both devices. Once the transfer is complete, your chats will appear on your iPhone in WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.